Getting ready is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's get ready for drop-off. Hello there, it's me, Big Bird, and I'm so excited for you to have a good day. I even made a little song to sing to help you get ready. Birds love to sing, you know. Hey, you want to hear it? Okay, it goes like this. I am safe and loved. I will learn and play. I am strong and unique. I am ready for my day. I am ready for my day. You did it. Oh, I almost forgot. There are moves to do while you sing. Practice with me. When you say, I am safe and loved, you give yourself a big hug. When you say, I will learn and play, tap your finger to your head. Tap, tap, tap. Then, when you say, I am strong and unique, you make a big muscle with your arm. And finally, when you say, I am ready for my day, give a big thumbs up. Come on, let's do it together one more time. I am safe and loved. I will learn and play. I am strong and unique. I am ready for my day. I am ready for my day. Let's all have a great day. Bye-bye.